Hello guys, welcome to the new video. So in today's videos I am going to discuss a new project. Means I am demonstrating a new project. So the project name is criminal record portal using Spring Boot, Hibernate, MySQL and Java. So we have made this project using Java servlet, and backend we have used MySQL server. So the complete details of this project are available on our website. You can check the complete details, what exactly you are going to need and how you can download this project. You can navigate to this website. How you can navigate this to website? You just use this URL updatecut.com, or you just check the description of this video. I will put the link in the description. So here the front end of this video, means the code part of this video, we have two modules. One is for admin and another is for the police stations or the policemen who are exactly going to the entering the data for the criminals or the checking. So uh, these all are files that we are going to use in a front end. Now I'm going to just start this project, and after running this project I am explaining each modules or each steps in this project, what exactly we are going in this project. So the most important feature of this project is like we are using a Gmail functionality. When a new user just registered to the to this portal, it sent an email to the user. Like after running this project, what we need to do, just run this project, select run as and Spring Boot. After running this project, it navigate to this page, and then what we have to do, we just need to open and register new user. So like if I just select registration, so we have two modules, one is for admin and one is for the policeman. So I just creating a new user, police, and the email id we have to use here. We have to use a correct email id that send it an email to that user. So I'm using this email id so that I got a mail and put it here. Now I have to enter a number also. I am using a demo number 1234567 Address, I am using address is test. Qualification, I have to add a qualification, I just use in test. And the password is same as a username. So as I click on the registration, it sent an email for the verification to this user. And okay, now we have successfully registration. We are going to check the email. Okay, now I got the email from that, and you can change this format also. If you want to change this format, you can change the format also. Where you can change the format using using the code inside. I think inside in any one of the file you can change the code. If you want to change and you don't know how to change, then I can help in that. You can add your email account and add your username. So currently I'm using my email account and my username. So I got this email id, hello police. Then we need to verification this. If I do not verify this, then and I am trying to log in the same user, then I got an error. So the email id, I use the email id same and then the password. So it's saying that user is locked because the same user is still not verified. So I just click on the verified, and congratulations, your account has been verified. What exactly going inside this verification? When a user is click on the verification, so in a backend, in a database, we have a table that we have used. By default, the value of that table is 0, and after verification the value will change and become a 1. So just a moment, it's reloading the page. It display the user. Okay, now by default the value is 0. These two values are 0, and after verification the values will become 1. So the main reason of this verification is the account is locked or not. Now I can log in again, and now I can try to log in again. Okay, now I am able to log in here. We have two main modules. One is crime details and one is existing crime details. Like if I want to search any details, uh, any criminal details, so I can search from here. If I want to add a new criminal detail, then I have to select this option. Now here is now here is a form that we have to fill for the criminal details. Now I have to enter the Aadhaar card number 1234 1234 1234 1234. Okay, now I have to enter the name, so I add decode it. A PAN number I using the same, enter the email of that I using the test, enter the number 1234 1234. Now status is active or pending, so I select the active, choose the image. I have to upload an image. I just use this image. I just use this image. Now I have to select the police stations. Here's a list of police stations. You can add more if you want to add. Select the stations, select forward to where we want to forward this image, and the status is pending or complete, pending, and then test. Edit by, we have to add our name, so we have added by my test, and then submit. So this record is added to the database also, and also in the admin panel also. So if I just check the data, now it will display me the data. These data, this the last one, the last row that we have added recently, it display me here. And in a crime data, that also added by my test. I have used this name my test, and the status is pending, and crime type, and police station, and criminal ID. So we have all these details added to the backend. Now if I want to check, if I want to check this existing data, I have to enter the Aadhaar card name 1234 1231 and submit. So it automatically display all the detail of that user. So I just select the pending or active, so I can select the edit and then update that also. Now we are going to open the admin panel of this project. Just log out from this profile info and then log out. Now we are going to log in as an admin. So admin have all the authorities like edit, delete or update the criminal record. So I just log in as an admin and admin password. Now criminal details, it show me a table where all these criminal details record are added, and these below the footers of this project are just only for demo. You can add any link here, or you want to remove these links, you can remove all these links also. These just for only the demo, exactly what we are working only these things. So the main functionality of this project is these details and these tables. So we have added this table recently, so we can edit. If I want to edit, I can add the status like complete, pending or updated. I want to change the name, I want to change the name, then I can change the name also and then update. Oh, I think 123 is not added, we cannot change the name. Okay, we cannot change the name, and then this. Okay, edit one, I think we have to edit one. We cannot edit here because we have to select something. If I want to edit this one, then I can add or not. Okay, I think edit functionality is not connected with this, but we can check with the this one, and we can check from here. Conclusion test one. Yes, we are able to add this functionality, but the criminal record we are not able to add because some mapping is not connected with that. So we can check and we can update that also. Yeah, some mapping is missing, so we will fix that issue. So exactly the project is overall the criminal records. So if you are interested in this project, you can download this project. Just check the descriptions of this video.